Hello friends, in this lesson we will learn how to use the quick mask mode to make our selections. Quick mask mode can be very useful in a situation like this. Let's say we have this subject that doesn't have much contrast with the background. So it would be difficult for us to make a good selection with these tools. We also have a very strong depth of field. Here we can use this feature called quick mask mode. Now what it does is it lets us use our paintbrush and make a selection manually. To enable the quick mask mode, click on this second last button in the tool panel. It is just under this foreground background swatch color. Click on this and we are in the quick mask mode. Now take this paintbrush and start painting. You can see that our background and foreground colors are set to black and white, but it is painting a red color. With this red color, it is indicating the areas that we are selecting or masking out. When we disable the quick mask mode, it gives us the selection. Let me click it and disable. It has given me this selection. But I want to show you something else. Double click it and this dialog box opens. It has two options, masked areas and selected areas. The color indicates masked areas and the selected areas. If this option is checked on, this will give the selection outside the area we painted. I'll get it back to the mode, the selected areas. Okay. Now it gives me the selection which I made. Let us again go to the quick mask mode. The keyboard shortcut to enter the quick mask mode is Q. Now with the foreground color set to black, we'll start painting the areas we want to select. I want to mask out this flower and I'll paint it. Now for the areas which are fuzzy and blurred, we can reduce the size of the brush. Like this area is very blurred. For this, I will bring down the size of my brush and reduce the hardness. Now I'll paint my selection here. I'll use the same hardness for the edges because they are a bit blurred, and for the center I'll increase the hardness. I'll take a hard brush and paint out the center area. If in any case your subject is red, it will be difficult to see with this red paint. To change it, just double click it and you can see the color here. I can change it to any color I want. Suppose I'll change it to a blue. Okay. Now when I enter the quick mask mode, we can see that I'm painting in blue. Cool. Suppose I paint accidentally in the wrong area. To remove the selection, just make white the foreground color and start painting. White removes the selection and black paints the selection. I'll reduce this opacity to 50%. I'll pause this video for a while to finish this selection. After painting the selection, I just click this off, and when I come out of the quick mask mode, I get my selection. My selection is very precise, which could not have been achieved with any of these tools. Let's make an adjustment change to this flower. Image, adjustments. I'll do a hue and saturation again. Let me change the color of the flower. Okay. Quick mask mode has done a great job. Of course, we have to do a little bit of effort manually. So friends, these were the selection tools. You need to use your discrete intellect to select a method or tool to make precise selections. See you at the next lesson.